In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download videos here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do, and once you've actually created some type of video here in Canva, to download it, what we want to do is come over to Share, we come to Download, and then we want to choose the option which is MP4 video. Now from here, we do have a couple of different settings. We can play around with the quality. Right now it's set for 1080p. If we increase that, it's going to go up to 4K, and we can decrease that as well. Now we can also save the download settings. Then, once we want to download, we simply click Download, and that is it. Then, once it's downloaded, you will have your video to where you can do anything that you want with it. But that's just how simple it is to download videos here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.